Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, and once again welcome back to my another video of craft. In this video you will see very beautiful and very pretty Q-tip craft. Q-tips cotton swabs can be used with many fun and creative crafts. Q-tip craft is a form of creative artwork where cotton swabs, commonly known as Q-tips, are used as the primary material for making decorative or artistic items. These crafts often involve cutting, painting, gluing, or arranging the Q-tips into different shapes and designs. Since Q-tips are small, lightweight, and easy to handle, they are especially popular for the fine motor skill development and children's activities. They can be used to create textured effects, models, or even as tools for painting and dotting techniques. This type of craft encourages imagination, precision, and resourcefulness, making it a fun and educational activity for all ages groups. Q-tip craft is a simple yet versatile form of art that transforms ordinary cotton swabs into creative These crafts typically involve manipulating Q-tips, cutting, bending, painting, or assembling them into artistic or decorative forms. Because of their uniform shape and soft cotton tips, Q-tips can mimic delicate features in designs like flower petals, bones in skeleton models, or cynophilic patterns. This craft form is often used in educational settings, particularly for young children, as it promotes hand-eye coordination, concentration, and creativity. It is also an eco-friendly and budget-friendly activity, often requiring only basic materials like glue, paper, and paint. Q-tip crafts can be seasonal, like winter-themed decorations, themed such as animals or geometric designs, or functional like DIY models for school projects.